Hello, Darwin, my old friend. I've come to read from you again. You comfort me when I grow weary of people saying it's just a theory. Because a theory is a system of abstractions in our finite minds, of laws behind the things we find with science. And on the internet I saw 1 billion people, maybe more. People clinging to old delusions, people jumping to conclusions, people holding superstitions that are obviously quite absurd, who've never heard a single word of science. How do you think a doctor knows how a disease like cancer grows? How did we learn how we might treat it? How do you think one day we might beat it? 'Cause it won't be by taking sugar pills or standing on one leg for hours while eating flowers, but through the powers of science. If you have answers and you're sure they're better than what came before, make your hypothesis and test it. Take the results that you've collected, and then you write them in a paper and submit it for peer review. That's what we do to check it's truly science. And the people stood and prayed. They said our faith cannot be swayed. They have their views and they won't move them. They have their truths and they won't prove them. They'll take the words of the prophets over fossils that were really found beneath the ground. They don't like the sound